Hello guys, I've built this box about 7 or 8 years ago and I haven't replaced the top yet, and as you can see it's pretty damaged. It's completely gone actually. Aspenite, and obviously Aspenite is like a sponge, drink water, so I need to replace the top. Some of you following me for a while might wonder what the hell is in this box. So today you will find out, because I will tear open the top of this thing to replace it with brand new plywood, and I will apply a good sealer on it so it doesn't get destroyed like this after 1 year or two, because I won't work on this project before a while, because I obviously need a garage to work on this thing because it's pretty big. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump to the demolition of this box right now. Okay guys, I'm done removing the top. Now I will clean this mess up, and after that I will show you what's inside my box. So this is what's in the box, guys. It's a Lamborghini Murcielago LP640 body kit. It's in there for the past 7 years, and it will be there for a while, since I won't touch this until I have a garage so I can work on it. So in the meantime, it will stay there. I don't know how long, but I promise you, as soon as I will start working on this thing, you'll be the first to know. But now it's time to install brand new plywood. And after that, I will put a sealer so the water will not damage my body kit inside, neither the plywood on top. Okay guys, I sealed all the joint with silicone. Now we'll let it dry, and on the next sunny day I will apply the sealer on it. So I'm now ready to seal this thing. The silicone is dry. I did that last week. So the last step is to put a coat of sealing on that thing. The only thing, or the only question I have is, will I put 1 coat or 2 coat? I will see after the first coat how it look like. There you go guys, it's done. I will need only 1 coat since this thing got in every hole. I'm not very worried about the leaf dropping on it. There was one that I rolled over without noticing, so I removed that afterward. But these will probably just stick on it. I did overlap on the edge because I wanted to seal the surrounding of the plywood as well, and since I cannot go between the box or the top and the fence, since it's pretty much set on the fence, I overlap, or I over fill this side so it go only by gravity. But this is it. I'm pretty happy. I still don't know yet how much time it will take to cure or to dry up. but I'm pretty confident it will do a better job, way better job than paint. I've used paint previously on that thing, and obviously I knew paint was not a good sealer for a flat surface, but at the time there was just the material that I have on hand, and it was going pretty late in autumn, so I didn't want to waste time, so I put paint. But this thing is made for flat roof. Obviously it need to be recovered or covered with small rocks, which I won't, so maybe it will stay sticky, I don't know, but I don't really care if it stays sticky as long as it seals the top of the box so the water don't get into the wood or between the joint. But I also sealed with silicone all the joint between the sheets of plywood plus this stuff over it, so I'm pretty confident that nothing or no water will go into these joints. So now you know what's in my big gray box. This is a project that I will do or will start only when I will have a garage, so until I move out from here, because we're planning on moving out sooner than later, and I will look for a house with a detached garage, so I don't carry smell or noise into the house compared to an attached garage where I cannot paint in there because the smell will go into the house. So I will look for a detached garage, probably a double garage, so I can make bigger project like this thing. So I hope this video will satisfy the curiosity of some of you. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later.